Okay, we're going to do a screenshot today and a few other shortcuts along the way. It's going to go kind of quick. Here I'm going to do Alt and Tab. I'm going to tab to where I want to go and release. And then I did a Windows up arrow. Now I'm going to do a Windows Shift and S. It's a screenshot. I'm going to use the tab to move it over to that position there, which is full screen, and hit enter. Okay, now I'm going to do a Windows down arrow twice. Alt tab to get to the my document program. I did a Ctrl V to paste. I did a Ctrl Z to remove. I did a Ctrl V to put it back. I did a Windows down arrow. Okay, now we're going to do Alt Tab, and you can see each time you hit the tab, it moves to another application. And wherever I stop, it will open it up. Okay, and then Windows down arrow. Hey, if it was helpful, please like and subscribe.